Hi, I'm Ms. Nancy from the Texarkana Public Library. Welcome to our Tuesday craft activity. Today we are going to make a fire-breathing dragon. And everything you need to make this dragon you should have at your house already. What you're going to need first is a paper towel roll and a piece of construction paper. You can use any color that you want. I thought green would be a good color for a dragon. That's why I picked that color. First, you can anchor your construction paper down to your paper towel roll with some tape, and then you're going to wrap it completely around till the whole roll is covered, and you'll put some more tape on it. Okay, there's your dragon's body. Next, you're going to need some eyes. I took some green pom-poms and I put some roly eyes on there. I glued them on ahead of time because it takes a little while for the glue to dry. Now you can glue these on or you can use tape, whatever you would prefer. The glue takes a little time to dry, so I'm using tape this morning. And you put your two eyes on one end of your dragon's body. Now since it's a fire-breathing dragon, he needs a nose. So I have two smaller green pom-poms that I'm going to put on the other end of the dragon. And again, I'm using tape because it goes a little faster. The glue takes a while to dry. And there's the other one. Okay. For his fire, I have some orange and yellow streamers. You can use streamers if you have it. If you want to use just plain white paper, you can color it any color you would like, but I would suggest orange, yellow, and red for fire colors. Put some tape on the end and tape it right to the inside of his mouth. And my nose fell off. There we go. I have 4 streamers. You can put however many you want. And there is your fire-breathing dragon, complete with fire, eyes, and nose. That's our craft for today. Please join us next Tuesday when we'll have another exciting craft. You can still just sign up for our summer reading program. And also this year we have fun go bags. There's a new one every Monday. So please stop by the library. You can come in or you can go through the drive-in window to pick up your activity bag. Thank you.